Hi everyone, this is Sultan again with Rex Theme, and in this video I'll show you how you can set grab limitations to your scenes. For example, let's say this is the first scene of the tour. Now I want to set a grab limitations on how far a person can go right or left and up and down. I can easily do that. Let me show you how. So go to the scenes tab, and on the first scene, let's say this is the first scene, so I want to set grab limitations on the first scene. So you can see there's this option called limit vertical scene grab and limit horizontal scene grab. The vertical scene grab will limit how far a person can look up and down, and horizontal scene grab will limit how far a person can look left and right. So let me first use the vertical scene grab, and it has a limit of 90 to minus 90. So let me make it half and show you what's the difference. Alright, so before I preview this, let me just show you that initially I can go completely up and completely down on the tour. Right, so now let me just preview the tour, and after setting the grab limitations, now the screen is locked into this much. I cannot go higher than that. That's the vertical scene grab limit. Alright, now let me show you how the horizontal scene grab limit works. So if I turn it on, this has a limit from 180 to minus 180, totaling into 360 degrees. So that's because I can spin around in 360 degree. Now if I set the limit to, let's say, 120 and here as minus 120 and preview, now you'll see that I won't be able to go a complete 360. This part is blocked out, right? If I try to go from the other side, I cannot. This is blocked out. So I blocked out a certain part of the scene so that a person cannot go further than this much left or right. So that's how the limit grab feature works. You can limit how much a person can look up and down, left and right, using these two options. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in one of my future tutorial videos. Take care.